Offer. Noun. A proposal that has been made. What's in his offer? Offer. Noun. Something put forth, bid, proffered or tendered. His offer was $3.50 per share. Offer. Verb. To present something to God as a gesture of worship, or for a sacrifice. Offer. Verb. To place something in a position where it can be added to an existing mechanical assembly. Offer. Verb. To propose or express one's willingness to do something. She offered to help with her homework. Offer. Verb. To present in words, to proffer, to make a proposal of, to suggest. Everybody offered an opinion. Offer. Verb. To place at someone's disposal, to present something, to be either accepted or turned down. Offer. Verb. To bid, as a price, reward, or wages. Offer. Verb. To happen, to present itself. Offer. Verb. To put in opposition to manifest in an offensive way, to threaten. To offer violence to somebody. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.